Hello and welcome to another video from Jerba Campervans. We've been in our new workshop now for about 4 years, and we just realised the other day that we'd never taken the time to show you guys around the full workshop, really give you a tour and show you the ins and outs of what makes Jerba Campervans such a special business. Stay tuned and we'll show you exactly what happens when we build a campervan. After your new vans arrived here at Jerba Campervans, it comes through where our schedule team start their work. The schedule guys build the foundation for your campervan conversion, and they do things like fitting the floor, insulating in behind the panels, fitting this nice carpet finish that you see. They also remove the roof and get it prepared for putting the new elevating roof on. Other things like the gas pipe and any hidden electrical work's also done at this point. Once the schedule team are done with your van, it then comes through here into our main workshop where the underside team start their process. The underside guys are tasked with fitting the leisure batteries to your van. They also fit night heaters, water tanks, and they do any external electrics, running cables, things like that that's required for the conversion. Quality is one of the most important aspects of our business, and that's why we've got our own sewing room and seam sealing room here at Jerba Campervans, so we can make sure that every canvas or every set of curtains that leaves our workshop in any of our vans is to the best quality it can possibly be, and it's been hand checked and hand stitched by someone here at our team. At Jerba Campervans, we're really well known for the attention to detail that we put into every single campervan that we make. The same can be said for our workshop. If you walk through, you'll see our shadow boards. You might even see one of the guys on our one-of-a-kind intranet system where they can go in and they can get all the key details for any job that they're doing straight away at their fingertips. Once the guys down at the underside are finished with your van, it's then time for our team of joiners to do their part. Every single campervan conversion that we undertake here at Jerba Campervans has a full furniture kit out done by one of our in-house professional joiners, and they scribe every single cut on the furniture to make sure it's a snug, perfect fit with your van, which means that the finish on your furniture is perfect every single time.